So hi friends, once again you're most welcome in today's video. We are going to discuss something very important, and that is going to be uh, tackling on education. We are going to discuss how education, I mean how technology can help students pass exams and also excel after exams. So this is going to be showing both on the side of students and teachers. And now to start with, first of all, technology is really a very powerful tool that can help students pass exams and excel in life. This is because with technology you can easily access information. Information can be accessed on internet, and by searching on internet we have many websites that provide topics and lessons. Examples like when you go on internet and search for Khan Academy, search for Skillshare, search for Coursera or Udemy. There are very many platforms. There are very many platforms that really offer online education, and when you go on internet and search, and whatever lesson you want, whatever thing you want, you will be able to get it, and you can really use it and pass your exam. The other thing is about interactive learning. With the current use of smartboard, teachers can easily share their knowledge and interact with students. You know very well that with smartboard you can easily share the screen even if the students are not with you. Maybe they are just in their homes, and you just have to share the screen and start teaching, and everyone will get the idea and learn easily. Then we have for what we call personalized learning. Personalized learning, this is where a student will really learn from his or her convenient. It can be at home, it can be anywhere, anytime, it can be night or day, it can be during rain or sunshine. So regardless, it doesn't know what something to do with maybe any problem, any disaster that have come. And here you manage your own time, you do whatever thing you want at your own pace. Then you have collaboration. Of course, students, they live as a community. When you're using a certain platform, for example, like Khan, we have millions of students available, and when you subscribe or register with them, means you become part of the community. Then you can collaborate with these other students and teachers on the board, and you can share and ask any question and it will be answered. Then we have time management. Of course, it is very easy to manage time. This is because with technology doesn't know other factors like environmental disasters. Here you will make sure that even remember during the time of COVID, when it was really high and all countries were in lockdown, schools closed and students were sent home worldwide. Millions of students could not access school, but those who had their technology on the fingertips remained learning. So time were really, the clock was ticking while others are running, others were at home. In my home country, Congo, in a country where I was staying in Uganda, all the students were at home. No one was running. Some were forced to early marriages, others were really forced to other challenges because of this disaster. But now, how best can we make sure that we avoid that in the next years? So the best way is to improve or to integrate technology in our learning to ensure that we are prepared, have this website already running, have all the tools and devices to be accessed by students. The government should really invest in this and ensure that technology is given a big budget to really boost it, so that in the case of such challenges like COVID, like Ebola, like any other disasters, you can learn. So in that way, I know you can really save time. No, time does not wait. Like for example, if you are in a high school, or maybe you are in your university, your budget is to, or your scope is to really finish there 3 years, and then COVID comes, it takes 2 years down, and now you have 5 years to go. So what about if you have other things, so we are trying to do this. That's why even at TB Talks we put technology as the main thing, as the priority, or as the base of each and everything, because we want to train individuals, we want to train friends, we want to train teachers, we want to train students how to use technology so that they can really employ it in their way of life. Then apart from that, we have, of course, exam preparation. With that, you can prepare for exams, you can revise, you can, in the case of any question you don't understand, you can ask via collaboration. You can look for past papers online, go to the examination board of your country, look for those papers that were done by previous students, download it, revise. Where you don't understand, you can ask your friend. If the thing challenges you, go and register with Tebi Talks, send us a message. We shall just solve that within minutes, and everything gonna be like so. Excelling goes far away from passing exam. Even after passing exam, you need to excel in your life, in your career, in your business, in your jobs. So you still need technology to really do well at work. You need technology to do well in your business. You need technology to do well in whatever field you have gone to, because we have seen how technology can really be advantageous in many sectors. And so I would really encourage that you use technology in each and everything. Don't be discouraged. Start learning, learn all the tools which are available, so that you can apply this in your life. Otherwise, thank you. Let's catch up in the next video as we explore more about technological videos, and that give you skills on fingertips and prepare you for the challenges ahead.